Okay, guys, so this is the Azuki TCG website, and you want to go to, so you want to check the website, and then you want to go to card gallery. When you go to card gallery, these are all the cards for season one. So literally, this is the first kind of version of the cards. And then you start with, so you can filter here. So set alpha, which is the first alpha set that came out. Okay, these are the cards that came in the alpha set, the Mizuki. So this is rare when you see it. Yuki is rare. Raisin, the alternate art, this is rare, and all you can see here, there are alpha stamps on those. This is extremely rare. This one's rare, this one's rare, and this one is super rare. Now you want to look for the cards that were done by Steamboy. So look at this. You can see it's illustrated by Steamboy. So those definitely on the long run will hold more value. Then you have the booster for also the original set. Okay, you can filter those. You have the promos. Now promo cards, those are the promo codes. So this is extremely rare, 64 of those. Okay, this is extremely rare, probably 5 or 6 available. This is also super rare. Some people say around 200, but not confirmed. And those I haven't seen, like literally, those I have never seen. So those are super rare. And then you have the starter deck 1. You could check it out. Starter deck 2, starter deck 3, starter deck 4. And then you want to so you want to look at the stars. So L2 stars, leader. So this L stands for leader, okay? Gate, Ikuzo cards, ultra common, common, super rare, rare, and then super rare stars, super rare 2 stars. Now, super rare 2 stars obviously is extremely rare. There's only one, the Mizuki, the numbered one, which is impossible to find. And then you have the super rare star. Okay, super rare stars are these guys. So you want to collect those. Those are interesting. I did the full collection. So you want to get those. This is going to be hard to get. And this one is going to be hard to get. This one. This one's going to be hard. And then this one is going to be super hard. Okay. You want to get as well the L2s. L2s, there are two. The Chow portrait card and the Zero portrait card. Okay, those go for above $1,000 usually. Okay, so you want to check them out. The L1 star are pretty obtainable, still rare. This is the one I'm super bullish on, the Kagoro, because it's done by Steamboy. It's a Steamboy card. Okay, I'm not sure you're gonna find this one because this one says Steamboy. The ones that are on market say Arnold Sang, and Arnold Sang is actually Steamboy, so it's the same. But in the first version, they had put Steamboy as an illustration, so those will be more valuable as we move forward, obviously because it's Steamboy, and then they shifted the name to Arnold Sang, and so we're expecting that V2, so the next version of the cards, is gonna also say Arnold Sang, but only the first version will say Steamboy. So Steamboy is pretty rare to get. Raisin card is extremely important because it's also a Steamboy card. Bobu and the rest. Again, those two are extremely hard to find. I haven't found them. I don't know. I haven't found them. The Chow leader card is also pretty solid. Okay, and then you want to go for the gates. So gates with stars are alternate gates. Those are going for $400. This one is going for around 400, and this one is going for around 400. Those two are much more affordable because they don't have a stamp. As you can see, they don't have a stamp. Those guys have a stamp. Okay, and then you want to go for the Ikuzo star, and here you have three. This Ikuzo AA alternate art one, the invitational, and then the Yuki. Yuki is pretty rare as well, but more obtainable. And then when you go to ultra common, those are all the cards that are ultra common. You have variations of those. So ultra common with a star, it's not available here. You cannot find it here on the website. But the ultra common with a star were made in specific editions, just like the Black Jade or Lady Ember or Serene. Those or Little Chow, those were ultra common with a star, extremely rare to find as well. So that's a pretty solid, I think, rundown of what cards you have to get. You have to, ideally, if you want to collect, you want to collect the whole set. So you want to start with, obviously, try to get the leaders. So try to get the leaders, number one, and then go for the gates. So those are the gates, and then go for the EKZ cards. Okay, now this is rare. This is pretty accessible. This is accessible. You want to try to get the alpha stamped one from those, and then try to get the super rares. So super rare, 2 star, 1 star, and super rare. Those are the cards. And then you want to move to rares, obviously, right? You want to move to rares. And then once you're done, you move to common and ultra common and you complete the set. So that's pretty much how it goes. Good luck collecting.